The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2015 Lexus GX 460 with a full Yakima system. So we've got a Yakima MegaWarrior cargo basket, and that's sitting on top of the Yakima CoreBar RidgeLine base roof rack system. If you want to see a quick walk around video of just the roof rack, see what it looks like without the basket, we have a video for that. We'll put a link for that in the description below, so make sure you check that one out if you want to see the rack by itself. With the MegaWarrior, it's the biggest of the Warrior series, and we've got it positioned to where it doesn't block the sunroof. And obviously you don't have any rear hatch problems since the hatch swings out. But here the basket, you can see you have an accessory bar that's included. We also did install locks for the basket. Those are available separately, but not required. The front fairing does swing down with the loosening of the wing knobs. If you want to see the assembly of the basket, we do have a video for that as well, and we'll link to that in the description below. You can check that out if you want to see what it's like to put one together. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, pretty clean install, tons of cargo capacity, and the ability to add mounts directly to the basket if you need to. And I think it's just a great proportional fit for the vehicle as well. You can also add an extension if you want to make this even longer, which this vehicle could totally handle. Maybe just move that front crossbar, or maybe move the bars around to accommodate the longer basket, but you might not have to either. So yeah, this is just a quick walk around on this video. Again, for more details on these individual products, or the basket itself and then the rack itself, we've got links in the description below where you can check that out. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer. So yeah, it's just a quick walk around so you can see what that looks like. And that's about it for this one. So, but yeah, like always, thanks for watching.